We are on to another topic, and today's topic is going to be on getting rid of negative reviews. So guys, first and foremost thing to keep in mind is that you have to keep your product quality as best as possible. That way you may be less likely to get negative reviews on your product. So if you get a negative review by chance, there are some method you can use to get your negative reviews removed. So guys, let's get right into this. Guys, the first method will be contacting your seller support. You can contact your seller support if it's related to late shipping, or if your customer has put a dirty comments on your review. Guys, then you can go get those negative reviews removed by contacting directly to your seller support. But one thing to keep in mind is that if it's related to your product quality, then Amazon might not help you getting those negative reviews removed, guys. And secondly, the second method is going to be replying to review as soon as possible, guys. So you can reply to the review as soon as the customer puts it on your listing, and apologize for them what has went wrong. And if by chance they might remove those reviews, guys, if you can reply to the review as soon as possible, they might help you remove those reviews if you apologize as soon as possible, guys. And the third method is going to be on contacting your customer, guys. So you can literally contact to your customer directly by their email address. You can ask for what went wrong and apologize for the product mistake, and what you can't do is, guys, and one thing to keep in mind is that you can't offer an incentive or something spammy to your customers, guys. It's again Amazon TOS, terms and of service, and if you offer your customers to offer something, an incentive to your customers to get those negative reviews removed, then Amazon will track down and it might get you to your account suspension, guys, too. So you have to keep in mind you won't be doing any spammy while contacting your customers, guys. So guys, these are the methods of getting rid of negative reviews, and hope this method helps you. So I will be seeing you in my next video.